Why, I'm Dr. Science, MD. And what's your name?
I'm Jeff.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Jimmy?
Well, I'd like to be a farmer, I guess.
An astronaut, you say? That's quite a perilous position you picked for yourself, Patrick.
It's Jeff, actually, and farmer.
You know what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to give you a tour of space.
Space?
Quickly, to the spacecraft.
Wow, I've never seen a real-life living room decorated space center before.
That's because we're also sponsored by Lazy Boy. Ah, assistant, Jimmy, assistant.
Nice to meet you, Jimmy.
Nice to meet you, assistant.
What are you guys doing today?
We're going on a space tour.
That would take months and funds and years of planning. And how are you guys going to do this? We don't even have a spaceship.
You and your facts, assistant. Some people underestimate the speed of imagination. Come, Jimmy, to the spaceship.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Ignition. The clock is running. We have liftoff. Houston, we have cleared the tower in 1313.
Okay, guys, we got it. Come on, baby. Come on.
Behold, Jimmy, Titan, moon of Jupiter.
Well, we sure got here pretty fast.
That's because we were driving at twice the speed of a Volkswagen Beetle. Volkswagen. It's as American as a burrito. Now, I'm going to have my lab assistant explain a little bit about this fascinating place.
Titan, largest moon of Saturn. It has a mean surface temperature of negative 178 degrees Celsius. It has possible lakes of methane or ethane under its surface, and it has a nitrogen atmosphere similar to Earth. Several extremophiles might live on or under the surface of Titan. Those are psychrophiles, which are cold-loving, barophiles, which are deep-living extremophiles, and methanogens, who are methane-loving extremophiles.
And now back to the truth.
So, wait, but you said there was a lot of methane on this planet. That's not oxygen. How are we breathing?
Haha. Safety, of course, Jimmy. Put on your safety goggles.
Oh. Thanks,
There
Dr.
you go.
Science.
No problem, Jimmy. Onward.
Wait, how does this help us breathe again?
Aha. This is probably Europa.
This looks a lot like Titan. Oh yeah! Yeah, this is
Europa.
Europa.
Ice wasteland.
Sure
A
is,
moon of Saturn.
sure is cold. Mr. Science, how cold is it here?
Why, it's at the freezing degree of...
The surface temperature of Europa is an average negative 162 degrees Celsius.
Thank you for filling his head with nonsense. Do you have anything else to add?
Yes, I do. Actually, it's the sixth moon of Jupiter, not Saturn.
Wow, that was sure scientific. Anything else?
Europa is an icy wasteland. It has an oxygen atmosphere because of ice melt and evaporation, and has a possible subsurface ocean. Several extremophiles could possibly live there. Barophiles, which like living deep under the surface. Methanogens, which love methane. And psychrophiles, which love the cold.
Thank you. Back to real science with Dr. Science, MD. Come, Jimmy. We have much more of the universe to explore. Mars, meteor-battered planet.
Wow, Mr. Science, this planet sure is swell.
Not really, Jimmy. Assistant, hit it.
Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has an average surface temperature of negative 50 degrees Celsius. It has carbon dioxide atmosphere and is rocky, has polar ice caps, and possible subsurface water. Several extremophiles that might inhabit Mars are barophiles, which live under the surface, anaerobes, which don't like oxygen, and psychrophiles, which love cold.
Come on, Jimmy. There's science to be done. Hold this. You see, what my lab assistant forgot to explain in his little fairy tale is that this is the red planet. Red? Red like the Soviets, Jimmy. In fact, our government estimates that the Soviets will be landing on this planet by 1959. And there'll be war in between the colonies of freedom and Soviet evil by 1961. It's the wave of the future, Jimmy. Communism.
No!
That's right, Jimmy. That's why you must not go into space, as it is a dangerous place. That concludes our perilous journey through the galaxy. Come on, Jimmy. Let's go back home.
Oh, yeah, you guys made it back in one piece. How was your trip?
It was swell.
So did you learn a valuable life lesson, Jimmy?
Sure did, Mr. Science.
It's Dr. Science.
Oh, well, Mr. Assistant sure said a lot about life on other planets. What do you think they look like?
Why, I think it looks something like this.
Jimmy Crickets, that sure is scary.
Communism often is, Jimmy. Don't you agree, lab assistant?
Yeah.
Back to your life lesson, Jimmy. You were saying.
Wait, but like, so we're spending all of our time looking for aliens. What if the aliens have already, like, found us?
Welcome to Living in the Universe. This is a podcast about Astro deadlier than ever. Yes, it really happened. The germ was salmonella, best known as a culprit in food poisoning. The trip, Space Shuttle mission STS-115 in September 2006. The reason salmonella were sent into orbit? Scientists wanted to see how space travel affects